Hey guys, this is a little bit of an instructional video on how to install these floating logos into our special edition hex caps. So what I like to do is I like to start to pull this plastic wrap up a little bit. So when I'm installing it into the hex cap, it's a little bit easier for me to pull up. Now when I'm putting these into the hex cap, it requires quite a bit of force. I want to make sure I'm going straight down. And if I get caught like that, it's fine if I can tell that the tab is starting its way in, then I feel comfortable pressing it the rest of the way in. And then you'll want to confirm that it's floating, spinning like it is. And then when you install these onto the car, use a couple of wraps of Teflon tape that the plumbers use on the threads, and then just make sure you get these tightened before you thread these in. Before you put Teflon tape in and thread them in, make sure they thread in smoothly and none of the threads are boogered on the hex caps and none of the threads are boogered on your wheel face.